Hey folks, it's Captain Jim. I am guest hosting Dishin with Debbie. A little bit nervous about this, but going to have some fun here and make something that's delicious today. Today we're going to be making vegan tacos, and these are gluten-free as well, so you'll want to follow along and learn how to make something healthy. Here we go. We start with a handy taco plate. This is great because it makes it easy to stand up your taco shells. I go with the soft corn tortillas, and they stand up in there pretty nicely. Those are organic tacos or tortillas there. And then we're going to bring in the fillings, and this is the fun part. We're going to start with these. You want to knock all the dirt off of these before you bring them in. I'm just going to chop this part off because we don't use that. And these are just, weeds that I was able to find in the yard. Low cost. I'm going to trim these tops too because they tend to be a little bitter. So I'm going to take those off. And what you've got now is this nice, neat bundle of greens for your vegan tacos. So you take however much you like. If you like a lot, load it up. If you like a little, take it easy. All right, so we're going to just load these up just like that. Get some of those stalks out of there. Those aren't as good as this leafy part right here. So then we've got our tacos pretty much built. I like to top them with some tomato. So here is some diced tomato going on there. It's gonna be delicious. And then at this point, cheese would be great, but if you're vegan, you can't have cheese. So here comes some Tabasco. It's my favorite of the hot sauces. I like it a little bit spicy, so I'm gonna spice that up there. And then we're gonna add our sides. And the sides are the thing that are gonna really elevate this whole vegan taco meal that you are preparing. First, I'm gonna use some red lentils here. I don't really know how to cook these, but I hear vegans talking about them all the time. So there are some red lentils, and we're just gonna give them a little spritz of pepper there. And then on this side of the plate, we've got some twigs, and these are, again, fresh, just right out of the yard. There's some oak in here, I think maybe some elm. And to help that along, let's make a little space here. We're gonna add just a little spoonful of guac, to dip those in, and that's gonna be delicious. So there you go. That's pretty much it for your vegan tacos. You can mess around with this recipe a little bit, add things you like, take away things maybe you don't like. This is completely vegan. The avocado, the guacamole mess here that you're gonna dip your twigs in. You may have to get chopstick style with some of this because as you can see, it's really chunky. But there you go, vegan tacos. They're gluten-free as well. Captain Jim, it's been a blast hosting Dishin with Debbie this time. Look forward to seeing you again next time around Firecracker Chicken.